What if I told you there's a free VPN that uses a special UDP protocol promising crazy fast speeds, and it has a mysterious diamond status? That's exactly what we're diving into today with UDP Thunder VPN. We'll set it up, test its speed, and see if it's actually worth your time. Let's get into it. So right after installing and opening UDP Thunder VPN, you're greeted with this very simple, slightly dated interface. The first thing you see is this connection screen. It shows the config version is 1.0 build 2, which suggests it's a pretty basic application. You have your big start button, and down here it shows you've been connected for 0. The status currently says disconnected. Notice the option for auto select server. We'll come back to that. They also promote their UDP Fast DNS, which is likely part of their speed claim. Now, this is the interesting part. Before connecting, let's look at the server list. Instead of choosing countries, UDP Thunder VPN offers something called A global servers, numbered 1 through 10. And here's the mystery. The connection status up top says diamond end. It seems like a glitched or stylized way of saying diamond, which might be their highest tier or just a brand name for these servers. The promise is a fast, global connection using the UDP protocol, which is typically faster than TCP for VPNs because it sacrifices error checking for speed. Let's hit start and see what happens. And we're connected. The status changes to connected, and a notice pops up saying, "Welcome to Thunder UDP." Pretty straightforward. The timer starts counting up, showing how long you've been connected. Now for the main event, the speed test. UDP promises speed, so let's put it to the test. I'm first going to run a test without the VPN to get my baseline speed. Okay, my normal download speed is around 100 megabits. Now let's run the test again while connected to UDP Thunder VPN. Whoa, look at that! The VPN is reporting that I'm getting 59% of my original speed. That is actually surprisingly good for a free VPN. Many free services throttle your speed into the ground, but maintaining more than half your bandwidth is a solid result for basic browsing and streaming. So final verdict, UDP Thunder VPN is a mixed bag. If you need a quick, free, and fast
Look at me
VPN
now,
for
hunting the
basic
enemy,
tasks
guys.
like unlocking basic geo-restricted
Seems
content,
like I am getting better
adding
for now,
a minor
chat.
layer of privacy on public
For
Wi-Fi.
real? It's not that hard.
Kinda works. However,
I
and
see
this
it,
is
guys. Take a
big
look at my
however,
screen now.
you should never trust a free VPN with sensitive
Pretty
data.
sure that
We don't know their logging policies, and they could potentially be selling your data. Use this for light work, but not for anything critical. For that, you need a paid, reputable service.